Welcome home to Cape Cod Charm in Forest Creek. An elegant entry opens to the formal dining room with large picture windows. The dining room has easy access to an immaculate kitchen with bright white cabinetry, a new range, a walk-in pantry, and a sunny breakfast nook. A spacious living room boasts a brick fireplace and close proximity to the main level owner's suite. The large owner's bedroom features 2 closets and a private remodeled bath. A laundry room and a half bath round out the main level. Upstairs, the second bedroom has a dormer window and its own vanity leading to the Jack and Jill bath. The third bedroom also has a private vanity and a huge walk-in closet. This home is an entertainer's dream with a refurbished deck overlooking a large backyard with a garden and a privacy fence. Schedule your showing today.